Welcome, seekers of truth. If this reading found you, the energies are aligning for a reason. Today is February 17th, 2026, and we sit under a powerful new moon in Aquarius, exactly at 0% illumination, a solar eclipse moment. This is fresh beginnings, radical resets, and breakthroughs in independence. Aquarius energy cuts through illusions, sparks sudden awakenings, and pushes old patterns to dissolve. Eclipses amplify everything. What was hidden comes forward fast. For love, this sky screams unexpected returns, regret surfacing, and people facing what they walked away from. No accidents. If you've been feeling his energy linger, the cards confirm something is shifting. Breathe deep. Center yourself. The question today, is he coming back in the next 7 days? What does the regret look like in his world? The deck is shuffled with intention, focusing on his side, his thoughts, his pull, the timeline. 5 cards drawn, his past energy toward you, current inner state, the regret factor, incoming movement, outcome, and advice. First card, past energy, 5 of Cups. Loss and sorrow dominate here. He focused on what went wrong, the arguments, the distance, what he lost when things ended. Spilled cups everywhere, but behind him stand 2 upright ones he ignored. He mourned the pain more than he valued the good. This card shows emotional regret already planted back then. He walked away, but the emptiness followed. Under this new moon eclipse, those ignored positives are resurfacing. The past isn't buried, it's stirring. Second card, current inner state, the Hermit. He's in deep introspection right now, alone with his thoughts, searching for answers. Aquarius new moon vibes this up, detached intellectual review of life choices. He's not out partying or distracting himself. He's withdrawing, questioning everything. The lantern lights his path inward. This is not casual thinking. It's soul-level reflection. He sees patterns, his role in the fallout. Isolation breeds clarity. The Hermit doesn't rush, but when he emerges, decisions are final and honest. Third card, the regret factor, 9 of Swords. Anxiety and guilt at night. This is the card of mental torment, regrets replaying like nightmares. He lies awake thinking about you, what he said, what he didn't do. What if I messed up the best thing? Echoes loud. Eclipse energy intensifies this. Shadows come out, no hiding. The swords are self-inflicted. He's torturing himself with hindsight. This level of regret builds pressure. It doesn't stay internal forever. When it peaks, it pushes action. Fourth card, incoming movement, Knight of Cups. The romantic rider approaches. This knight brings offers from the heart, messages, apologies, emotional outreach. In 7 days or sooner, expect something heartfelt, a text, call, or DM saying, "I've been thinking about us," or "I miss what we had." Cups energy is gentle, intuitive, not aggressive. Under Aquarius eclipse, it might come with a twist, honest, unconventional, no games. He's moved by feelings now, not just impulse. The horse moves steadily. This isn't fleeting. The offer is coming. Fifth card, outcome and advice, the Lovers, major arcana harmony. Choices, true alignment, soul connections. This points to a reunion possibility, not guaranteed forever, but real potential for reconciliation if both choose growth. The eclipse resets. Old wounds can heal if lessons are learned. Advice, stay in your power. Don't chase. Mirror his energy. Be open but detached. Aquarius teaches freedom in love. If he returns, set boundaries from a place of self-respect. The Lovers remind, union requires mutual choice. Trust the process. Signs will confirm if it's aligned. Putting it together, past loss, 5 of Cups, led to his current deep reflection, the Hermit. Regret torments him, 9 of Swords, building to an emotional outreach soon, Knight of Cups. The path opens to meaningful choice, the Lovers. Under this new moon solar eclipse in Aquarius, old ties break or rebirth dramatically. 7 days feels charged. Watch for sudden shifts, signs he's regretting and moving toward you. Sudden memories of him hit you out of nowhere. You see repeating numbers like 111 or 7777. Songs or places tied to him appear randomly. Dreams feel vivid and emotional. Gut says, he's thinking of me hard. If these land, claim the energy. The universe delivers what's ready. Affirmation, I release what no longer serves. I welcome truth and healing in perfect timing. What is meant returns with clarity and respect. So it is. If this resonated, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Comment 7 days if you're claiming this return. Drop your sign or situation below. Next pull could be for you. Money, career, next love? Tell me. Thank you for joining. Stay aligned. New beginnings are here.